What's the meaning of amah? Amah. 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 Amah.
The word amah refers to a domestic servant or nanny in East Asia, particularly in China and Hong Kong. Amahs are traditionally women who work for families to provide childcare, housekeeping, and cooking services. The term amah has its origins in the Cantonese language, where it means mother or female caregiver. Today, while the use of amahs persists in some households, it has become increasingly controversial due to concerns around exploitation and labor rights. Overall, the term amah is historically associated with a specific type of domestic labor in East Asia.